If you like Tesla videos, subscribe to the channel here so you don't miss any news. Tesla has finally introduced the much-anticipated long-range rear-wheel drive Model Y in the United States. This new version offers an impressive range of 320 miles, replacing the standard range model. This update is great news for those who prioritize range for daily commutes or long trips. Although the new Model Y is priced $2,000 higher than the standard range version, it offers exceptional value. A substantial increase in range for a relatively modest price difference is a significant advantage for many. This additional cost is justified by the peace of mind that comes with being able to travel longer distances without worrying about battery life. The new rear-wheel drive Model Y retains Tesla's high quality and performance. Despite being a rear-wheel drive vehicle, the precision of Tesla's electric motors ensures excellent traction on snow and ice, especially with all-season tires, making the Model Y reliable in various weather conditions. The new Model Y also offers the option of induction wheels, which reduce the range from 320 to 295 miles. While some may prefer the added style and performance of induction wheels, others may prioritize maintaining maximum range. In addition to offering impressive range, Tesla aims to make its vehicles more accessible and practical for a broader audience. One of the strategies the company has adopted is eliminating the standard range version of the Model Y, simplifying the lineup and enhancing overall value. By concentrating on fewer vehicle variants, Tesla can optimize internal factory processes and streamline the production line. This approach allows the company to accelerate production, reduce complexity, and lower both manufacturing time and costs. Simplifying the assembly process results in a more agile and efficient operation, enabling Tesla to better respond to market demand. As production becomes more efficient, manufacturing costs decrease, potentially leading to lower prices for consumers. This, in turn, can increase accessibility to Tesla's electric vehicles, boost the brand's popularity, and support the widespread adoption of electric vehicles, aligning with Tesla's mission to accelerate the global transition to sustainable energy. Tesla's initiative to simplify the production line exemplifies its commitment to continuous improvement. By focusing on efficiency and cost reduction, the company enhances its productivity and provides direct benefits to consumers, making its electric vehicles more attractive and accessible. However, there have been recent concerns about changes in the supercharger network, as Tesla has laid off nearly the entire team responsible for its expansion and maintenance. The reduction in the supercharger network team has caused concern among Tesla owners and electric vehicle enthusiasts. The supercharger network, a key differentiator for Tesla, enables quick charging at numerous locations. With a smaller team, the expansion and maintenance of this network might be impacted. Despite these layoffs, automakers remain committed to Tesla's charging technology. Companies like GM and Ford have agreed to adopt Tesla's charging standard for their future electric vehicles, demonstrating significant confidence in Tesla's technology. This strategic partnership could establish Tesla's charging standard as the industry norm, potentially broadening its customer base and increasing revenue from the supercharger network. Even with a reduced team, Tesla has informed suppliers that it is in transition, establishing new leadership roles, prioritizing projects, and optimizing payment procedures to maintain efficiency. However, some projects for building new superchargers have been paused. For instance, Revel, which operates a fleet of electric taxis in New York, reported that Tesla halted the construction of 4 new charging sites in the city. Revel is now attempting to complete these unfinished projects. Despite these pauses, Tesla still plans to expand its supercharger network in the long term. According to Revel's CEO, Tesla left behind promising locations ready for use, indicating that the charging infrastructure remains valued and contested by other companies. There is hope as Tesla may be shifting its focus to supplying charging equipment to other companies instead of building and operating new sites. For example, BP acquired $100 million worth of charging equipment from Tesla, signaling a new direction for the company. Despite the uncertainties, Tesla vehicle owners can still rely on the existing supercharger network, known for its wide coverage and fast charging times, which remains one of the biggest attractions for Tesla owners. The company is implementing new internal processes and redefining leadership roles to improve the management efficiency of the supercharger network. Additionally, it is prioritizing projects and streamlining payment procedures to ensure continued collaboration with suppliers and partners during this transition. Tesla recognizes the importance of the supercharger network for its customer base and the growth of the electric vehicle market, and remains committed despite the ongoing changes and challenges. The company is taking all necessary steps to ensure that the supercharger network continues to uphold its high standards of performance and reliability. Consequently, Tesla vehicle owners can be confident that the company is dedicated to maintaining the excellence of its charging infrastructure. Regarding the Model Y, it's crucial to emphasize Tesla's ongoing innovation and vehicle improvements. The company is consistently committed to innovation, always striving to offer its customers the best and most advanced options available. The introduction of the new long-range model exemplifies this commitment. This model not only broadens the range of options for consumers but also highlights Tesla's focus on meeting customer needs by providing greater autonomy for longer journeys. For owners of the standard range Model Y, Tesla offers a convenient solution for those needing more range in their daily travels. The company provides an option to unlock additional range for an extra cost. This update allows owners to significantly extend their vehicle's range, offering remarkable flexibility to tailor the car's performance to their individual needs. This ability to customize and update is one of Tesla's greatest strengths. Model Y owners can adapt their vehicles over time to better suit their specific needs without purchasing a new car, which not only values the customer's initial investment but also reflects Tesla's commitment to a superior and evolving ownership experience. Moreover, Tesla continues to integrate the latest technologies and performance improvements into its vehicles. Each new model and update represents a significant advancement in efficiency, comfort, and functionality. The introduction of the long-range Model Y marks an important milestone in this journey, offering an unbeatable combination of range, performance, and technological innovation. Choosing a Tesla means opting for a vehicle that is a leader in technology and performance today and will continue to evolve and improve in the future. This philosophy of continuous innovation keeps Tesla ahead in the electric vehicle market, ensuring that its customers always have access to the best the industry has to offer. The flexibility to update and enhance your vehicle over time is a significant advantage of owning a Tesla. Combined with the supercharger network, this makes owning a Tesla an even more attractive experience. For those considering purchasing a new Tesla, the long-range rear-wheel drive Model Y is an option worth considering. With its extended range and Tesla's ongoing improvements, this model is sure to attract many consumers. Even with changes in the supercharger team, Tesla remains committed to providing a high-quality charging experience. The transition may bring challenges, but the company is taking steps to ensure its customers are not affected. We hope the news about the new Model Y and the changes in the supercharger network have been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more updates on Tesla and the world of electric vehicles. In conclusion, Tesla continues to demonstrate its commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction through its latest advancements and strategic initiatives. The introduction of the long-range rear-wheel drive Model Y, with its impressive range and customizable features, showcases Tesla's focus on meeting the evolving needs of its customers. Despite recent changes within the supercharger network team, Tesla is dedicated to maintaining the high standards and reliability of its charging infrastructure, ensuring a superior ownership experience. This ongoing dedication to improvement and adaptability not only strengthens Tesla's position as a leader in the electric vehicle market but also promises a future where Tesla owners can enjoy cutting-edge technology and unmatched performance. As the company strives to make electric vehicles more accessible and practical, the future looks bright for both Tesla and its customers.